Once upon a time, in a kingdom where the night sky sparkled like a sea of diamonds, there lived a young princess named Stella. Stella was fascinated by the stars and spent every night gazing at them from her tower window. One evening, as she looked up, she noticed something strange. The stars were dimming, and the night sky was losing its brilliance. Worried, Stella decided to seek help. She visited the wise old wizard, Orion, who lived at the edge of the kingdom. "The stars are fading, Orion. What can we do?" Stella asked. Orion stroked his long beard and said, "The stars are powered by the star crystal, hidden deep in the Cave of Wonders. Someone must journey there to recharge it with the light of 1,000 fireflies." Determined to save the stars, Stella set off on her adventure. She packed a small bag with food, a lantern, and a map given to her by Orion. As she walked through the forest, she met a friendly fox named Felix. "Where are you going, princess?" Felix asked. "I'm on a mission to save the stars. Will you help me find the Cave of Wonders?" Stella replied. Felix agreed and led Stella through the dense forest. They crossed rivers, climbed hills, and braved dark caves. Along the way, they met a wise owl named Olive, who knew the way to the Cave of Wonders. With Olive's guidance, they finally reached the cave. Inside, the Cave of Wonders glittered with crystals of all shapes and sizes. In the center, they found the star crystal, which had grown dim and cold. "We need to find the fireflies," Stella said. They ventured deeper into the cave and found a hidden grove filled with glowing fireflies. Stella gently caught the fireflies in a jar and brought them back to the star crystal. As the fireflies surrounded the crystal, their light began to recharge it, making it glow brighter and brighter. Suddenly, the cave was filled with a radiant light. The star crystal was fully recharged. Stella, Felix, and Olive hurried back to the kingdom. When they returned, the night sky was once again filled with sparkling stars. The kingdom rejoiced, and Princess Stella was hailed as a hero. The king threw a grand celebration in her honor, and the stars shone brighter than ever. From that night on, Stella continued to watch the stars, knowing that their light would never fade again as long as she and her friends were there to protect it. And so, Princess Stella, Felix, and Olive lived happily ever after, under the beautiful, twinkling night sky.